A man walked into a small German town in 1828 carrying a letter, barely able to stand, barely able to speak. He looked like he had never seen sunlight before. His legs could hardly hold him up. He wrote his name on a piece of paper, Kaspar Hauser. He said he had spent his entire life locked in a dark room, alone, with no human contact. Nobody knew where he came from or who had kept him there. But people started to wonder if he was something more than a lost boy. Some believed he was the hidden heir to a royal throne, deliberately kept away from the world so someone else could take his place. Then the threats started, 2 attempts on his life, and in December 1833, someone stabbed him in a park. He died 3 days later. The letter he carried when he first appeared, it had been written by his captor. It gave nothing away. To this day, no one knows who Kaspar Hauser really was, or who decided he was too dangerous to let speak.